stop. Did you know that people are buying businesses all around the world without spending a penny of their own money? And these can be big businesses too, multi-million-dollar revenue businesses without risking a penny of their own cash. Over the past 24 years, I've bought and sold over 60 businesses. I've bought businesses from private equity, I've sold businesses to private equity, and now I show other people how to do exactly the same thing. If you own a business already, business acquisition is the fastest way to grow. If you want to get into business, why start a business? That's hard, head-aching work that doesn't always prove successful. So why don't you buy a positively cash-flowing business instead and enjoy the profits? My brand new, completely free training is yours to watch right now. Watch the training, learn the basics of business acquisition, and understand how you can buy $1 million business without spending a penny of your own money. I have a complete business buying system. You follow the system, you get the results. I'm going to teach you part of that system on this free training so that you can see exactly how it would work for you. I've helped people from all around the world buy a business successfully, regardless of their starting point. Dan was in corporate life. His first deal was a £10 million deal. Phil was unemployed. His first deal was a £7 million deal. These deals are life-changing. And you know what happens in every single case? They don't use any of their own money. Buying a business can change your life. On this free training, I will show you how to buy a multi-million-dollar business without spending a penny of your own money. And you know what? The training is completely free. So get yourself enrolled right now and let's change your life forever.